Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Abhinaya, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Science, going to present a video of cybercrime. In this video, we will cover about the principle of cybercrime, types of cybercrime, tools used for solving cybercrime, new technique used in cybercrime, and forensic significance. So now let's move on to the next part. Introduction of cybercrime. Cybercrime or a computer oriented crime is a crime that includes a computer and a network. The computer may have been used in a execution of a crime or it may be the target. Cybercrime is the uses of computer as a weapon for committing crimes such as committing fraud, identity theft, phishing, morphing, etc. Principle of cybercrime. Cybercrime is a type of crime involving a computer or a computer network. The computer may have been used in committing the crime or it may be the target. Cybercrime may harm someone's security or finances. Types of cybercrime. There are diversified types of cybercrime recorded across the globe. Some of the noteworthy, for example, hacking, phishing, identity theft, cyberstalking and harassment, denial of service attack, online fraud, malware attack, data breaches. Hacking. Hacking in cybersecurity refers to the misuse of devices like computers, smartphones, tablets, and networks to cause damage to or corrupt the system, gather information on users, steal data and documents, or disrupt the data related activities. Ethical hacking is about improving the security of computer system and computer networks, and ethical hacking is legal. Phishing. Phishing is a cybercrime in which means unauthorized access to the personal informations or sensitive data like banking, credit card details and passwords. Phishing targets will be or contracted by email, telephone or text messages. Identity theft. Identity theft is a crime of opportunity basically done by impersonating a victim to obtaining a valuable thing such as credit cards, loans, and other valuable items. Is name of the victim. Then there it occurs when or other personal information is available to the public or important mails or left unattended or unsupervised. Cyberstalking and harassment. Cyberstalking is a technologically based attack on one person who has been targeted specifically for that attack for a reason of anger, revenge, or control. Cyberstalking can take many forms, including harassment, embarrassment, and humiliation of the victim. Therefore, the topic of cyberstalking will be discussed here. Stalkers may be prosecuted under the section of 67 Information Technology Act if they use social media or other electronic means to broadcast obscene information about the victim with the intent to harass or intimidate that person. Denial of service attack. A DOS attack is a cyber attack that makes a computer or other devices unavailable to its intended users. This is usually accomplished by overwhelming the targeted machine with the request until the normal traffic can no longer be processed. With a DOS attack, a single computer launches the attack. Online fraud. Engaging in fraudulent activities such as online scams, fake actions, pyramid schemes, or credit card fraud to devise individual or organization for financial gain. Malware attack. Malware attack is a type of cyber attack where malicious software, programs, or codes are used to corrupt data and damage or disable computers or other devices such as mobiles, tablets, network, etc. Last one is data breaches. Unauthorized access to the sensitive or confidential data, usually stored by organization or business, resulting in the exposure of personal information. That is known as data breaches. So coming to the next part, which is tools used for solving cybercrime. A cybercrime investigation is incomplete without proper tools. Following are the equipment vital for a cybercrime investigations: X-ray forensics, sleuth kit, oxygen detective forensic software, bulk extractor program, digital forensic, image FTK. XY forensics. It is an image forensic tool to clone and image data files and raw pictures from your devices. Forensic investigators use this software due to its effectiveness and ease of use. It means that you can carry it with around in flash drive and use it anywhere on every devices. It easily compatible with any version of the Windows program. The next, Sleuth Kit. It is a part of cybercrime investigator tool that are used for data collection and recovery. You can easily copy and collect the data from the victim's device and retrieve the damage and delete it through it. This is also help to trace out the erased evidence from the crime scene. Oxygen Detective Forensic Software. One of the essential software, the Oxygen Detective program is treasured assets in cybercrime. The principal use of this software is to access digital devices from the data and evidence collection. It can access secure drones, phones, laptop or different applications. Moreover, it can also retrieve the data from these devices. With the software, in a cybercrime investigating company can gain the user's vital informations. We can say that it's locksmith of all devices. Bulk extracted program. Whether it is emails, credit card information, URLs, images, or histories, bulk extracted, like its name says, will give you all the informations. It is compatible with all iOS, Android, or Windows devices and consistently take out the bulk of the data quickly. Digital forensics. This program is a part of forensic that extracts local as well as community based data and information. It is used to keep track of the suspect's device activity. Along with that, it is compatible with all operating programs like Windows, iOS, etc. Then last, image FTK. The investigators use this software to retrieve the data from their target devices and generate master copies without damaging the original data. So coming to the next part, which is new technique use in cybercrime. There are so many new techniques there in cybercrime. The most famous two techniques, cloud forensics and fingerprint forensics. Cloud forensics means industry experts estimate 50% of people's data is now stored in the cloud. Consequently, this creates plenty of opportunities for those who are familiar with cloud forensic technology, as there is boatload of cloud stored data to analyze when searching for clues. When using iCloud data recovery for iPhone, for instance, there are various issues at play, including how to make the evidence collected admissible in court. When the handling evidence of this court in nature, the mobile devices investigator also need to worry about chain of custody and other issues such as preservation its inheritance. Then, fingerprint forensic. When Sir Francis Galton proved how fingerprints can be used for the purpose of identification, this science of fingerprint analysis was born when comparing of fingerprints taken at the crime scene. It was vast visual forensic DNA databases of potential matches. The perpetrator of the crime can quickly be identified. At the same time, a digital forensic investigator faces immense pressures and challenges. When sampling fingerprints at the crime scene, not only can they be contaminated with improper handling and a lack of familiarities with the proper digital forensic acquisition process, the criminals wiping off their own fingerprints or wearing gloves is the one of the classical anti-forensic. Moving to the forensic significance, cyber forensic is needed for investigation of crime under law enforcement. There are cases like hacking, denial of service attack where the computer system is the crime scene. The proof of the crime will be present in the computer system. The proof can be browsing history, email, document, etc. I hope you guys are learning about cyber forensics from this video. Please comment below if you have any doubts. Now concluding this video. Thank you so much.